Managing eBooks, Twinkl Originals App. Use the Twinkl Originals app to create a collection of your children's favourite books and manage what they can read. If there is a story that children read time and time again, they can save it to a list of favourites. To do this, tap the cover of the ebook and then tap the heart at the bottom of the screen. Once the heart has turned white, the story has been saved as a favourite. Tapping on the heart to turn it grey will remove it from favourites. To find the stories that have been saved to favourites, tap your profile to see your library and then tap the heart symbol. You can then tap on a story to read it. Some of the stories may be too old or too young for your child, or you may want them to focus on a few stories at a time. The Twinkl Originals app allows you to manage the ebooks available in each profile by removing titles. To do this, tap on the settings icon at the top right of the profiles page, follow the instructions on the screen and tap Manage Books. Select the profile you would like to manage and tap on any titles you would like to remove. The next time your child views their profile, they will only be able to see the titles you have chosen.